Hello everyone, welcome to Complete Picture. Today I'm gonna show you meat grinder automatic machine that can crush all types of meat. Basically those are the commercial meat grinder. Commercial meat grinder are used to process thousands of pounds of meat per hour. Frozen meat grinded can be processed frozen block of meats. The frozen meat is frozen minus 25 degrees centigrade. There are two different drive from used industrial meat grinder, which is ideal for grinding frozen meat block using a single auger, and the two rape drive, which is push and process through the cutting knife using a auger. This electric meat grinder used for commercial purpose. Commercial meat grinder is full body made by the stainless steel. You can use electric meat mixer machine at 220 volt. It's only consume 550 volt. This is the commercial electric meat grinder. This is basically used for the industrial purpose. It can cut the meat, frozen meat, very quickly. So meat grinder is very powerful, as you can see that chopping the meat. Electric meat chopper and the grinder that can grind plugged into the wall are generally larger than the manual grinder, so they are capable of higher output than the manual models. Manual models capable of lower output. Manual meat grinder are hand operated and designed to mount your countertops, so they are good for the low volume production. But here you can see the larger production for the industrial purpose, commercial purpose. So those electric meat chopper and grinder used for the commercial purpose, that can chopping or grind the frozen meat. Those meat are frozen minus 25 degree max. The lower range is the minus 25 degree centigrade. Average it can store in minus 6 degree. The lower range maximum is 0 degree. You have to put 0 degree before grinding process. So those electric meat chopper and grinder used for the commercial purpose. As you can see, those fresh meat are served in our plate. It is not intended for many pounds of meat at once, but everyone loves meat, right? So that can be beef, pork, chicken, anything. But the meat, how the meat processing is done, you can see in this whole video. So keep watching till the end and you will find out how the meat processing its work. I hope you guys like that video, how the meat processing industry work, how the electric commercial meats are processed into the grinder. So keep sharing our video and like the video. Please subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching.